Give me 2 of them. Thank you. Thank you. She wipe her hands. Good girl. Bring me some more. Thank you so much. Bring me more. Thank you. Thank you. Wipe her hands. Every time someone wipe her hands. I can have that one too. Thank you so much. Good girl. You the bomb.
Miss Pris gotta wipe her hands.
Every time. Thank you.
You should have seen it when we put her cake in it. She was like,
thank you. Give us your fans. Thank you. Uh-oh. Thank you. Light them. Yeah, let's get these back on. Get out of there. Here, let's put these back. Put them back. Mimi, put them back.